everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 545 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am finally trying out the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquified Long Wear Lipstick. So this is a sample that I got from Ulta, but I cannot believe I've never tried this product out before. I love Too Faced and I love long-lasting matte liquid lipsticks, and this one sounds amazing. It says, our innovative formula glides over lips like a gloss but dries to an ultra matte opaque finish infused with a no sting plumping filler. So this is a liquid lipstick that's long-lasting but also plumping. I've never tried anything like that, but that sounds so perfect. It says it contains avocado oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic filling spheres. I love hyaluronic acid for my super dry lips. So on the Ulta website, this is so high rated. It's a fan fave, which makes me even more excited to try it out. And so it comes in 18 different shades, and the shade that I have here is Queen Bee. This is such a cute mini version. All right, let me start out by swatching this shade. It's a doe foot applicator. Ooh, yes. A beautiful nude mauve shade. All right, I am so excited. I'm just ready to apply it right away. I have to say, this smells kind of weird. It smells kind of chemically. This is going to sound strange, but it actually reminds me of the smell of a hardware store. So strange and random. The formula feels really nice and creamy as I'm applying it. There really is such opaque color. It really is so comfortable on my lips, and it's not sticky at all, and it feels very comfortable, hydrating, but it still has a matte finish, but not a dry matte finish at all. Very much a comfortable matte. I can actually understand that melted lipstick claim or like term because it really is so creamy, like one of those stick twist up lipsticks, but just in like a melted down liquefied version. And this shade, this is a shade that I'm not normally drawn to because I feel like it wouldn't really look good on me, but somehow I actually like it. So I'm really happy that this kind of took me out of my comfort zone to try on a color that I wouldn't normally choose, but I ended up actually really liking. Let's see, and as far as that plumping effect, I mean, I think it did kind of work. It made my lips look smoother and less lines in it, which for a matte liquid lipstick, that's really good because those types of lipsticks can really emphasize the lines in my lips, and I much prefer a smoothed out effect, and this lipstick is giving me that. Now let's do a kiss test and see if there's transfer. Oh my gosh, no transfer? I actually expected there to be transfer because of how creamy it feels on my lips. That's amazing. Wow. I seriously love this formula. I understand why it's so high rated, and I have really been missing out. I definitely need to try this out in way more colors. So let me know in the comments down below your favorite shades of the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm so glad I finally tried this out because this is seriously like a game changer lip formula that I could just wear this all day long and not feel like my lips are getting uncomfortably dry, and that's exactly what I need in my lip formulas. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.